So, what did you say?
Saying that even the most antiquated practices of an ancient cult are not merely cute and historical. They are archaeological treasures. The aurora of human psychosocial operation. So cultic practices that today we see as a throwback to an ignorant past, how could these be treasures? It comes because the idea of sacrifice, which today is not really understood. Why was there a drive for thousands of years to sacrifice one's cattle? What was the motivation for people to give their prized economic assets and to burn them, sometimes burnt completely to ash without any benefit from it whatsoever? It is also generally known that there were also cultic practices of human sacrifice, of baby sacrifice. What could have been the function other than ignorance for that? So certainly these cultic practices have developed, they have evolved, and eventually they disappeared. So the question is, are they ignorant? Was our society fanatical and ignorant? Just going back to the function of sacrifice, it seems that these first temples and altars were administrative centers. When people come to a ritual center from all over a region, they create a centralized administration. They create post. They create the ability to communicate from different regions. They create the circumstances for barter and for trade. They create the possibility for mixing the gene pool by marrying each other, by taking mates. They create the opportunities to be informed about practices in distant parts of the province. There is so much important human activity taking place around these rites. And I haven't even discussed the administrative benefits of these rites. For example, when the priests of a temple accept animals for sacrifice from families or from representatives of groups, they prepare the animal for slaughter. And in so doing, they demonstrate a complete awareness of the full cycle of the agricultural process. They need to know the different parts of the animal. They need to know how it is cut, how it is prepared, the different uses of different parts of the animal, the sinews, the bones, the muscles, what is eaten, what is not eaten, what can be used for other purposes. In addition to that, they also get to know the different genetic nuances of different animals and creatures, and they're able to share and to mix the genetics of different animals, and for no there's no chance that the priests of the temples were the most educated in these issues, in the full cycle of human development, of agriculture, and certainly of the calculation of the calendar for the festivals in which people would bring these festivals. So what is now entirely redundant was at that time critical knowledge for the development of humanity, and it is not to be taken for granted.